Picture this. You're standing in line at a coffee shop. You order your usual, hand over $5.
Keep the change.
And that's it. $5 gone. Nothing to show for it. Now imagine that same $5 going somewhere else instead, every single day. That's not a sacrifice. That's one skipped coffee, one fewer impulse buy, $5. Depending on when you start, that $5 either builds you something serious or something extraordinary. The difference between those two outcomes isn't talent. It isn't income. It's just age. My name is Jack. $5 a day is $150 a month, $1,825 a year. Not life-changing on its own, right? Person A starts at 25. They invest $5 a day consistently. By age 65, Person A has invested for 40 years. Total contributions around $73,000. Final portfolio value approximately $525,000 from $5 a day. Now Person B starts at 35. Same discipline, same fund, same $5 a day. By age 65, Person B has invested for 30 years. Final portfolio value approximately $220,000. Same habit, same amount. 10 years later, the difference over $305,000. Person A contributed only $18,000 more, but ended up with $305,000 more. That gap isn't from extra contributions, it's from time. That gap isn't from extra contributions, it's from time. Compounding means your returns earn returns, and those returns earn returns. The obstacle is a feeling, the belief that small amounts don't matter. This thinking has a name. Psychologists call it the threshold illusion. Compounding doesn't care about your threshold. It starts working on $1.
Starts day.
The cost of waiting isn't the $5, it's the $300,000 you didn't grow. Step 1. Calculate your daily $5. Look at your week. Find one thing you spend $5 on that you won't miss. Step 2. Open the account. If you have an employer retirement plan with a match, start there. That match is free money. Step 3. Buy one fund. Step 4. Automate the contribution. Set $150 a month to transfer automatically on payday. The biggest risk to your investment isn't a market crash, it's you changing your mind on a bad week. Most people will feel motivated for about 48 hours. Then life happens. The people who build wealth just acted before the motivation wore off. Time is the only asset in investing that you cannot buy more of. Person A and Person B made the same decision at different ages. Hit subscribe and comment starting today below.
You are capable of amazing things.